The market theme: oil prices have eased to around $82.50 a barrel after Iran signaled willingness to continue talks with the US. However, Nifty is likely to trade cautiously as lingering US-Iran tensions continue to threaten oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz. Our call of the day: Nifty is entering a difficult consolidative stretch and needs a strong bullish catalyst to reignite the rally. The biggest headwind: persistent FII selling continues to weigh on sentiment. Long story short, caution should be the buzzword on any early excessive strength. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Monday's drifting session, FII sold to the tune of Rs 1121 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1312 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty appears headed for massive consolidation. F&O July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 12.98 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, was trading firm near 96.52 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.09 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.93. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.4. Midcap Nifty is at 1.07. Nifty outlook: bullish consolidation remains the preferred theme as healthy Q1 FY27 earnings from ICICI Bank and RIL could reignite the rally. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,239. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,101 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,602 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,100 and 24,500. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,709. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 77,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 78,665 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,400 to 78,400. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,945. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,550 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,597 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. No plan to scrap LTCG tax. The Finance Ministry clarified that there is currently no proposal to remove the long-term capital gains (LTCG) tax on equity investments, Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary informed the Lok Sabha. Sectors likely to outperform: pharma and healthcare, telecom, insurance, cement. Sectors likely to underperform: banking and financials. Mixed Q1 earnings and persistent FII selling remain headwinds. Oil marketing companies: elevated crude could pressure refining and marketing margins. Aviation: higher crude raises aviation fuel cost concerns. Paints, tires and crude derivatives: expensive raw materials may weigh on margins. Stocks to watch: positive bias: ICICI Bank, Ultratech Cement, Bajaj Finance, Bharti Airtel, Mankind Pharma, Sun Pharma, Manappuram, Ultratech Cement. Negative bias: DR. Reddy's Laboratories, Trent, BDL, HPCL, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Infosys, BPCL, Maruti, Indigo. Q1 FY27 earnings today, Tuesday, 21st July. Bajaj Auto, Adani Energy Solutions, TVS Motor Company, Indian Hotels, JSW Infrastructure, Adani Total Gas, Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services, Bandhan Bank, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, CRISIL, Granules India, Jindal SAW, Anand Rathi Wealth, SG Finserve.